Now this is a Silverado 3500 2011, and twice it's got no lights in the morning. You can't, I mean, no crank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace a cable. And these cables in earlier versions, they had this fuse over here on the wall. And in later versions of the Silverado, they just moved it over here. So I got this cable, and we're gonna go ahead and replace it. And I noticed when it wouldn't start, this thing was loose. It's been reported here that there are a couple of problems with this. This over here, the ground wire, sometimes is loose. And that causes that problem. No crank and no lights on the dash. And in this particular case, I moved this, and this is what was loose, and I know that this has been loose. Trying to tighten it up. The other problem that's been reported is the cable over here. That cable there, and it's very difficult to change. That's that strap cable. I don't have to worry about that because I already got the big 3 on this, and I've got another cable going to the firewall, so I don't have to worry. But that's another problem you might want to look at. Anyway, we're going to change out the cable, and we got it off of Amazon. No, actually, I got it off of O'Reilly, which was cheaper, and they actually do. You can order it and you get it, and it's cheaper. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and replace it. Here's a new cable, and let's go ahead and do that. And since we're working with a battery and we are going to go to the starter and it's charged, we do have to remove the battery. And you don't want to get messed up with this. This truck has 2 batteries, so I'm going to have to remove both of them. In order to remove this one, this particular kind here, you have to remove. This is my second battery. I guess most of you won't have this, but this is a second battery. And this is just going over to the power bank. So you have to remove this and this if you have a second battery. So we'll go ahead and do that. By the way, whenever you do stuff like this, you see that? Put a little zip tie and put them in the order that they were plugged into this. These were over here, and this was over here. And by the way, this is how you change the fuse on this. So you just take this off, take those off, and there's the fuse. Real easy. And that fuse just clips there, see? Okay, like that. So you can just take it off if you want. Okay, so it's got this little clip here. So what you do is you kind of push in, see? You put your fingernail in there, put your fingernail, and then it clips off. That's how you get it off. Okay. So, and then it runs down over here, and in there it kind of clips in, then goes to the starter. So we'll go down there. So you stick your fingernail in here. Let's see if you stick your fingernail and then like that, and then it comes off, and then it's loose from there. And then over here, it just if you look over here. Here, it just got a little tab in there. It clips in here. And so we'll go underneath and we'll just swap it out. Well, it takes a 13 millimeter. don't lose that washer. And there's that cable. Now, this clip here, right there, and this, just clip it up like that, see? And there's a hole to put that thing back in there. Where is it? Oh, there it is. So, just pull the cable up, get the other one. Somewhere. Put this guy in there. See where that little hole is? No, it's in here somewhere. Well, let's get this one in first. Ooh. Let's see. Get that guy in there, see? All right. Let's see, which one was it? That one. Only one though. And we don't want to break anything, so just kind of we don't want to leave it loose either. All right. the real hole? That doesn't look like it. Oh, here it is. Wow! We're here. Right here. That's why I couldn't find it way down there. It's right here at the top. There it is. Then you come back over here. And we reconnect. See, it's got a brand new one, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use that one. So I need to, now that these are clipped there, I just put these here, plug it back in there, and we are all set.